Okay, I'm going to show you how to pick this warded padlock. These are how they look in Britain. Just a flat plate behind this drilled out hole. It's got a funny shape in it. And to pick these warded padlocks is very easy, and we use warded picks. You can use any one of these really. I'll try using this one. Basically just insert like the key and turn. Come back a little bit so you can feel the locking mechanism. No, I haven't got it there. Try with a different one. Insert like the key and turn. And there you have it. The lock is open.